Hi everyone, today, we'll be exploring what dementia is and some lifestyle factors that can reduce the risk of dementia. Currently, more than 55 million people have dementia worldwide and every year, there are nearly 10 million new cases adding in. Dementia is currently the 7th leading cause of death. This sounds like a real big number impacting the lives of several people. What is dementia? Dementia is a condition that brings decline in mental abilities of an individual and makes it harder for him to remember things, think clearly. It impacts the overall daily tasks. While it's more commonly seen in older people, not everyone will get it. Things like age, high blood pressure, high blood sugar, being overweight, obese, no physical activity, all set bad habits of alcohol and smoking, and also being socially isolated and depression makes it more likely for one to get dementia. It is interesting to know that certain lifestyle changes can reduce the risk of dementia, even for the people with a family history of dementia. The 3 lifestyle changes to focus on are aerobic exercises. Aerobic exercises like walking, running, swimming, cycling or even dancing are good for the brain because they increases blood flow, they nourish brain cells and reduce the risk of blood vessel damage, reduces inflammation, as it contributes to the buildup of abnormal proteins beta-amyloid protein. It is recommended for adults to do at least 150 to 300 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise each week. Eating right for a healthy brain. There are some special diets that helps in keeping our brain healthy, like the Mediterranean dietary approaches to stop hypertension, and Mediterranean intervention for neurodegenerative delay diets. These diets focus on eating foods that are good for brain, like fruits and vegetables. These contain antioxidants, which can help protect the brain cells. Fatty fish. This is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, a nutrient important for brain health. By eating these foods and avoiding red meat and processed foods, you can help reduce inflammation in your brain and keep it healthy. Take quality sleep. Sleep is important for brain health. When you sleep, your brain cleans itself of harmful substances. But if you don't get enough sleep or wake up often during the night, your brain can't clean itself properly. This can lead to problems over time. If you often feel tired when you wake up or have trouble sleeping, talk to your doctor. They can help you find out why you're not sleeping well and they may also suggest ways to improve your sleep. Dementia is killing a lot of people. It is important to provide care and support to a person living with dementia because this can be challenging and impacts the overall health and well-being.